Hi, Tammy with Minard's Leisure World. Join me as I take you on a tour of the new Solitude 3330 RE. This is a 3-slide couples coach weighing in at 12,250 pounds dry. So Solitude by Grand Design has some wonderful high-end features. It is a high-end coach. One thing you'll notice when we do get inside, it is a wide body, so it opens the space right up. Solitude also has higher insulation, R40 in the roof, and they wrap that right around the front cap, so you have great insulation. Great, high insulation in the underbelly, so it is heated and enclosed as well, and it also has heat pads on the tank, so really good extended stay camping for cooler spring, later fall. It is also a drop frame, which gives you great storage. So with the drop frame, it allows your cargo storage area here to be nice and deep. Absolutely awesome storage here. Wide, unobstructed, lots of room for all of your cargo goods. They do have the 130-pound propane tank on this side, and then we're going to check out the road side of the trailer now. Your second 30-pound propane tank is on this side of the trailer, and one thing that I absolutely love about the Solitudes is their docking station here. So all their gate valves are tucked up inside. This is also heated, so your underbelly storage is heated. You've got all of the easy control center here for your winterization, outside shower, black tank flush, all that good stuff, and it is also auto level. So on the 3330 RE, it has a nice big awning with your LED lights. You've got your outside speakers as well. Let's check out the inside. As we enter into the Solitude 3330 RE, to my right here, we have your kitchen counter. It's got your solid surface countertops, great storage above here, and it also has some awesome storage below. Great place for a garbage can in there. Bank of drawers on the side, 12 cubic foot two-way refrigerator. One of the features in this floor plan that I love is this little nook here. So you don't have like your full kitchen per se, but you've got a nice long table here with the high top stools that go with it. Super comfortable. Nice big window here in the kitchen as well. And of course with your Solitude's roller blinds. 3-burner cooktop in your oven and your convection microwave. Nice space off to the side here of your stove for prep work and that sort of thing. And again, some good storage. Nice pantry here as well. Nice and deep. These are adjustable shelves with the pull-out drawers on the bottom, so you've got lots of storage space. A wonderful thing about this floor plan, the 3330 RE, is the seating space. So you have a maybe not so great evening outside for weather-wise or during the day, and you're camping with some other folks and you want to come in and visit. Lots of seating space here. These two sofas actually both fold out to trifold sofas, so this coach technically could sleep up to 6 people if need be. And then you do have your power theater seats here with recline and massage. The entertainment system here is nothing short of amazing. Nice large flat screen TV. You've got your electric fireplace. Again, more storage up top. Nice deep cupboards. And not too high actually either. And you've actually got another set of cabinets over here above this sofa. The storage in this coach is actually quite amazing. A wonderful feature in the Solitude is there is no carpet, as you can see, and they do a wonderful transition from the floor up into the slide out with no carpet. So just easy to sweep up and mop if need be. Your master bathroom features your porcelain foot flush toilet, a great linen closet in the back there, nice oversized residential style shower and hardware in there, and your sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet. And the bathroom is all enclosed with a pocket door, which I absolutely love. Then you don't have that extra door swinging out into the hallway. I should mention that this coach is also equipped with 2 ACs, so you have your main AC and then one for the bedroom as well. King size bed in the slide out here. You do have the little counters here for your book or your eyeglasses, glass of water. They've got USB ports and plugins on each side of the bed, which is really handy. And a nice size closet here. So these are removable and adjustable shelves. So if you want to use it for your hanging rod, you can. And it is also washer dryer prep. So of course, if you were going to use the washer dryer in here, this shelving would just come out. So if you're actually going to use that one side for your washer dryer, there's no shortage of hanging space in here because you still have a hanging rod in here and two nice sized drawers on the bottom. At the foot of the bed, we have a hutch here with 6 drawers. So you've got your full extension drawer glides and your flat screen TV. The space at the foot of the bed here is great. You've got lots of room to move around, to change, that sort of thing. So it's a very spacious master bedroom. So thanks for joining me on this tour of the new Solitude 3330RE. Of course, this is a 2022 model. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.